In this video we are going to talk about the best blender in this year, which is Breville Sous Chef 16 Pro. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Every Breville product begins with a simple moment of brilliance. The Breville Sous Chef began with the observation that the food comes in many different shapes and sizes, making it difficult for one machine to consistently cut all ingredients into the optimal size pieces. So how do you make sure that you get the perfect size for what you're cooking? The Breville Sous Chef solves this problem with its unique design. Its wide feed chute makes it possible to slice vegetables of all shapes and sizes, while numerous disc and blade options makes it easy to get perfect results, any way you slice it. Combining convenience and versatility, the greatest sliced thing since bread. Food processors are supposed to make food prep easier, not more frustrating. The Breville Sous Chef has a 5.5-inch super wide feed chute that reduces the need to pre-cut most fruits and veggies, saving you time. The Breville Sous Chef comes with a set of 8 discs and blades for numerous prep options, all housed in a convenient accessory storage. The discs include a variable slicing disc that can be set to 24 different slicing settings so you can customize the thickness of your slices from a paper-thin 0.3 mm all the way up to a thick 8.0 mm. Other discs in the set include a julienne disc, a French fry cutting disc, a whisking disc, and a reversible shredding disc, while the blades include a micro-serrated universal S blade, a dough blade for kneading and combining ingredients, and a mini blade for use with mini bowl. The Breville Sous Chef includes 2 bowls, a large 16-cup processing bowl and a 2.5-cup mini processing bowl, for convenient processing no matter what size portions you're chopping. The 16-cup option allows you to blend up large servings of soup or dough, while the mini processing bowl is perfect for processing small amounts of sauces or nuts. Combining slicing options in 2 size choices with the convenience of the wide mouth chute, it is no wonder that the Breville Sous Chef was rated the best food processor in 2012 by a leading American reviewer of products. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.